Hi, my name is Vikas Singh and I'm a senior technical consultant at Brillica Services for data science and full stack development and master trainer for data science. And I am Microsoft certified trainer and I'm here to talk about natural language processing, also called NLP in short. So NLP or natural language processing is the ability of machine, or you can say a software that can translate, that can understand, that can interpret and generate human languages. So translation or understanding of natural language is the capability of human brain. Now we are going to develop a type of capability to understand and translate the natural languages within the machine. So this field is called NLP under artificial intelligence. So basically it's a field of artificial intelligence. So if you talk about intelligence, it is basically the ability of learning from the data, applying knowledge and skills to solve a problem. Same goes with the natural languages. A human intelligence can understand human languages or natural languages. They can interpret, or you can say understand or classify these words and entities or languages in different forms. So this intelligence is basically natural, and this type of capability we are going to develop within the machine under artificial intelligence. This capability is called NLP, natural language processing. So NLP is basically the part of artificial intelligence, or you can say field of intelligence, in which we are trying to develop a capability within the machine to translate, to understand, to interpret the natural languages. So if you talk about the course module to master in NLP field, then first of all, you have to learn Python as a programming language. And then you have to learn NumPy for the mathematical operations, complex mathematical operations. Like if you want to deal with the arrays, then you have to use NumPy. And in pandas, you have to handle all type of data, 2D data, 3D data. Like if you want to deal with the CSV file, or if you want to fetch data from SQL or any server or any source, then you have to use pandas library. These are the most important library of Python language in a machine learning field, or you can say in data science field. And after that, you have to learn statistics, or basically mathematics, calculus, algebra, and statistics. Mathematics is the also essential part of the machine learning or artificial intelligence. And then natural language processing. First of all, you will try to understand what is tokenization, what is lemmatization, and vectorization techniques are there. These topics are basically the part of deep learning. So we will discuss all the concepts that are required in natural language processing. And these topics are basically the part of deep learning. So first of all, we will try to understand deep learning concepts behind NLP, like LSTM, GRU, text pre-processing or processing, and vectorization techniques. All the things that would be covered within this module that are basically part of the natural language processing. And these concepts are basically part of core deep learning concepts. And we have some type of hands-on projects also under this course. This is NLP type of projects like text classification, spam classification, and recommendation systems, in which we will try to understand how we can receive some text data from the user or from any source. And then we have to analyze this data just like a human brain. And then we have to achieve a target. We have to classify according to the problem. So that was all about NLP course. See you in my upcoming lectures, and thank you so much.